Oh, hey guys. No, hey. Hey. Oh, hey. Hey. Did you miss me? Yeah, welcome to day 23 of the quarantine. New activities include sleeping and lots of Animal Crossing. So I gotta be honest with you too. I never played Animal Crossing until like a week ago, and I'm addicted, and that's all I do now. So I'm sure if you guys have played Animal Crossing, you all know how like relaxing it is. It's like very therapeutic and fun, and you just go around and like collect fruit and eat fruit and dig up trees and like catch bugs and fish, and it's super fun. Oh my god, I feel so crazy. But today's look is going to be inspired by one of the characters in the game, Isabelle. She's also in Mario Kart, Mario Party. She's a really big Nintendo character if you're into the Nintendo. Her fur is a pale yellow. She has like black beady eyes. This like big ass like updo and like this like dog snout and like a cute little button nose. So obviously I've been in my home for like 20 something days and resources are scarce, kind of. So I'm just gonna like take on the challenge of using what's around my house, using the makeup that I already have to create this look. So it's gonna be a little janky, but we're gonna go for it because we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna do this and like de-stress a little bit by doing Isabelle. First thing we're gonna do, block out my brows. It's a struggle. It is every time. Just put a ton of glue in them. Then you're gonna clean up the edges a bit. Especially under the eye. That's like where this skin is nice and thin. Nice and thin. Like a deli meat. Okay, so ideally, if you wanted to do the fur for Isabelle, you'd want to have like a yellow paint or like a more yellow foundation. Because my supplies are limited right now, I'm just gonna go in with normal foundation that I use, the Juvia's Place foundation. And I think I'm gonna use like a yellow powder on top to kind of make it more yellow. Oh my god, look how dry my lips are. Okay, so the base is done. Now it's time to hop into the kind of general outline color of everything. I'm not gonna start with the eyes. No. So I'm gonna start with like the snout of her face. I'm gonna start with the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in white, in Drug Lord. All right, I'm just gonna make an outline. Like just at the tip of my nose, I think is where it's gonna start. Kind of great because she has these little jowls. And then I'm just gonna fill it all in. You're gonna want to just tap a little bit to blend out the strokes that I made with the doe foot on the lip gloss. If not, it's gonna look really streaky. I would say let's like map the eyes out a bit, like these black beady eyes. Her eyebrows are gonna be my eyelids. So I'm gonna start with my eyes, putting on it's not black, it's navy blue, but liquid lip on my eye. No. I made an error. It's looking good, you know? I'm just going in with this MAC palette, this black eyeshadow. I think my face is sufficiently yellow. Using the same thing that I used on my eyes, I'm gonna try to create a mouth, and I want to use my natural mouth, so I'm gonna like line the opening of my mouth. And then like she has these little drawn up lips. So I'm just gonna add those to make my mouth even bigger. The mouth is basically done. I need to do, she has like these little cute like blush marks on her cheeks. So I think I'm gonna do that, but you know, again, limited supplies. I'm just gonna do some concealer on those spots and then maybe try to like blush it in with some like pinker eyeshadow to make them pinker. I'm gonna add a lash just for like an extra glam effect, and I'm gonna go do that off camera real quick and be right back. Okay, so the lashes are on, very glam. This is not what Isabelle wears, so I have to take this off without messing up my face. Whoa. Okay. Hold on. If you look at like, she has lots of different outfits, like, I don't know, it's in some of these she's wearing like a pink button up, like a yellow button up cardigan. The one I'm gonna go with today is like a white button up t-shirt underneath, and then she has like this green-ish cardigan sweater on top with like a little pink bow around her neck. I'm gonna start with a t-shirt, or not t-shirt, it's a button up, it's a short sleeve button up. Next item is like a sweater cardigan situation. Oh my god. Okay. And then she has like a nice pink bow. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, what? There. And then... Am I missing anything? Oh, the hair. I worked really hard on this hair. Like, watch. Bump. Because obviously I'm human. I don't have dog ears. So these are representative of my dog ears, okay? You know who I look like, actually? If you've seen Schitt's Creek, I look like, I forgot what her name is. Well, I look like her. David! David! Yeah, her. Alexis. Alexis. Oh, my ears are showing. My human ears are showing. Okay, so wait, so we got a red tie, and I don't really know how to put this on. Oh, that's not gonna work. Okay, so the red's on. Okay, and then she also has this like bell, because her name's Isabelle. So we're gonna make our own bell. And I need to attach it with something. It's like in the back of her head. I'm gonna like pop a bobby pin through it. On the front, like that. I like it. It's nice. And she makes these little cute noises, like The real trick is how to impersonate, what's this game called? An Animal Crossing character. So you're really just gonna like tighten your throat up really tight and just like wiggle your tongue around in your mouth and just you know? In case you missed that, please subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye! I'm like sweating at this point.